Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren and this is my channel Naturally Lori. Now today's video is going to be different than like a lot of the other videos that I have done. Actually, I do think I have done one of these videos before, but it was like kind of different. Okay, so I'm doing a product review today. And the last one I did was the worst product ever. Okay, so as you can see, I do have a super sleek back ponytail. Turn around, let y'all see these results. And I'm sorry if y'all do hear noise in the background. My little sister likes to keep her TV on 100 so everybody in the universe can know that she's watching TV. But yeah, all right, so as you can see, this is super sleek. And if you watch my sleek and on fleek low ponytail tutorial, then you know I like, rocking these things. But I got a middle part today. But yeah, let me stop. I keep rambling. That's my problem. That's why I always upload 30-minute videos, because I talk too much. Anyways, okay, let's get into this review. So today's review is over this Gorilla Snot Gel. Now, as y'all can see, I'm black, so I don't know how to say this correctly. I mean, I guess it's obvious. Gorilla Snot Gel, and it's in punk. They got different colors, and they all got different names, but this is the punk one, the one in the yellow jar. Now, when I bought this, I originally got it to lay my sister's edges. And I got these 3B curls, 3B hair type. And she got more like 4B, 4C. So I originally got it to kind of help lay her edges down. But it's mine though. So yeah, this is why I got it for. And it did work on her. But this is about me. So I used this today on this sleek ponytail. Now, when I originally bought this, like I just said, I got it for her, but I don't ever use heavy gels like this on my hair, if that makes sense. Like, I don't mind using it on my edges, but I don't use it on my hair. And I did it today, this morning, because usually I use Eco Styler. And for me, I like Eco Styler, but it's not the best thing I have ever, let me get in the middle. It's not the best thing I have ever came across in my life. Because, I'm 20. I've been doing my hair for a long time, like half my life, literally. And so Eco Styler is definitely not the best gel I have ever came across. But, it's pretty decent. It's good for my natural hair. But this, y'all, it is so, like, thick. Let me show y'all the consistency. All right. This is the consistency of this. Okay, you see that? Super thick. It's very snotty. It reminds me of glue, kinda, but it's like snotty. And I like the smell of it too. I can't tell y'all what it smells like, but I like the smell of it. I do like the smell of it. But that's the consistency. So you see that, you can see why I wouldn't want to use it in my hair. But I was like, let me try something different today. So I was like, I just did it, So what I did was I put like a quarter size amount of it in my hand, and I took my spray bottle and spritzed it a few times with water to kind of water it down, because that's the thing with Eco Styler. It's very it's watery, like, kind of, if you know what I mean. Like, the consistency of Eco Styler is, you can tell it's water in there, if that makes sense. This is not like that. So what I did was I tried to spritz some water on it to kind of give it a little bit of a more gel-like consistency versus being so snotty, if you get what I'm saying. But moral of the story is, I loved it. With the mixture of the water with this, it wasn't that much water, but just enough. It slid on my hair really well, which was very surprising. And I love it. Like, I can't see myself doing another sleek style with Eco Styler instead of this. You know what I mean? Like, I mean, I'll still use my Eco Styler for different cute little styles, but stuff like this, hunty, when I want to get it sleek, this will be my go-to. Okay, so I definitely recommend this. Okay, and as you can see, I really don't have, I got like a few, you know, I really don't have flyaways though. So with me, stuff like this lasts the one day I do it. But this got me so, what's the word? So inspired, that's the word. Inspired because of its sleekness to just, I'm gonna sleep in a scarf tonight and, you know, try to make this last a few more days. Because today is Tuesday and hopefully it can last till Thursday. Like, I hope it can. But I'm gonna try to make this last, and I'm gonna record, you know, how I make it last too, because who know how to keep a ponytail? You know what I'm saying? Like, you redo a ponytail every day. But I'm gonna try to make this last. So yeah, I definitely recommend this to anybody, especially my type 4 natural girls, or just girls with like way thicker hair than me. Like, yeah, but especially like if your hair is thick, like 3C, like thick 3C and up, I recommend this. Unless you're like one of those naturals who be like really hell-bent on organic natural hair products. Because this ain't that, honey. This is not that. Girl, look at that. Is it gonna focus? I don't know. Anyways, the moral of the story is this is not, it ain't that, honey. But you may like this, you know. So if you aren't one of those girls, which is understandable if you are, you know, I get that, but that's not me. I use what works. So yeah, try this if you want to get something really sleek, like, and it don't feel too much on my hair. Like, it really don't, like, it doesn't feel too much on my hair at all. But yeah, this is it. Oh, and I did my edges with it. So yeah, this I guess that's a review. I hope it's a review, you know, of a good review. Like, it is super thick, very snotty. It got a good smell to it, and it slicks your hair back perfectly. Like, I have no complaints. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, like if you like these type of videos, let me know down below, and be sure to like this video. And if you would want a tutorial of me using this to get my hair super sleek, let me know down below as well. Like, I don't know when I record it, because I'm trying to stray away from stuff like this. Although if I preserve it at night, it's kind of like a protective style, right? I think it is. I think this would be considered a protective style. So anyways, it's going to be a minute before I do it again. But if you want a tutorial on that, using this, let me know down below. Like, I'm going to record anything y'all want regardless. So yeah, yeah, thank you for watching my video. Comment down below, like I said. Like this video. Big old thumbs up. Share this video with a friend, because you need to get this out there. I don't see too many people talking about this, so let's help them out. You know, they ain't sponsoring me enough, but you know how they go. Anyways, yeah, and subscribe to my channel. I finally hit 70 subscribers, and you know, I'm on the road to 100, so help your girl get there, you know. And yeah, I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye. Bye, y'all.